Well, hello again. I figured I'd make another video for you guys. This one's gonna be interesting, especially to all you people who are probably gonna be shocked. But there she is, the 1997 Ford F-150. It has some rust, and there, and some rust down there. And here's some more rust. And there's the tailgate. That's all rusted off too. New plate. My proof of insurance sticker. Some more rust. F-150 XL. Alright, and here's the inside. Oh, lordy. It's got a AM/FM radio cassette player in it. Air don't work, heat works. It's got, let's see here, 159,465 miles on it. And give me just a second. I'll pop open the hood for you guys here. Let me set the phone down. Oh, you son of a bitch. Hold on, gotta go open the hood for you guys. Okay, got the hood open for you guys. It's got the Trenton 4.6 liter engine in it. And the last thing I'm going to do for you guys is I'll start her up for you. Grab my key right here. Keys. Hop in her. Oh! And there she goes. I'll give her a few runs for you guys out there. Oh no, really? Not a bad old truck. And my dad gave it to me for free. And I plan on fixing a few issues it's got. Everything else, and throw my Pioneer CD player in there. So I already have her hidden in there. Ow! Yeah, I'm gonna buy some new speakers and a new wire thing. My buddy of mine helped me hook her up in here. Hook her directly to the battery so I don't have to fuck around. Leave that tape deck in there also. Maybe I'll throw an extra radio antenna in there. But there you are. Video of the 1997 Ford F-150 truck. Have a good day, y'all. Bye-bye.